Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to align text to the right side in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. And here it actually opens up like this. We have to tap on the pencil icon to edit it. And from here we have two options. We can either go in the top row and tap on the letter A, and then go under paragraph and select the right side, this one. Or we can just use the quick menu and tap on this toggle list and select the right side here. And then we can just write like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.